We're the Lip Chicks.
I'm Susan.
And I'm Winter.
And check this out.
We got some leggings.
Leggings.
Is anyone else obsessed?
Galore.
Yeah, I'm obsessed. I can't stop wearing them because they're so comfy and I just love them.
Live in them.
Right?
Live in them.
Look at all these leggings.
Them, live in them.
Sleep in them.
How
shop
many
in
pairs
them,
do you think you
work
have?
out in them. Seriously, how many pairs of leggings do you have?
How many pairs of leggings I have? How many do you
I think
guys
I was
have?
addicted, but I
Drop
think
in
I'm
the
addicted.
comments how many pairs of leggings you have.
Yeah.
I would have to think about that.
I'm addicted. These aren't even half of them. I literally just, like, I have way too many.
And they're everywhere. You can
love
get
them.
leggings from like distributors for different companies. You can get leggings at like Target, at Old Navy has cute leggings too. Even Walmart.
Yes.
They're
Okay,
everywhere.
some of these are from
The leggings
Walmart.
crate.
So let me find the ones from Walmart because I have some. Okay,
Seriously.
Christmas leggings from Walmart.
Oh.
Like buttery soft.
Super cheap.
They were like $6.
Totally cheap.
Like you can't beat it,
And
right?
we have some of these leggings that are like so comfortable. Some of them.
So comfy. Okay, so this is the thing about leggings though, okay?
Do's and don'ts.
Because, yeah, let's talk about the do's and don'ts with the leggings.
It's important.
So, okay, if you go to Walmart or if you buy some cheap leggings somewhere, they're not gonna fit as perfect as if you bought them from a higher end place. That's just the way it is, you know?
I feel like some of the MLM companies have nicer leggings.
Like LuLaRoe, for example, a lot of these are LuLaRoe,
Those are
and
probably my
I
favorite.
love LuLaRoe because they actually do fit amazing. And amazing, what I mean is like the crotch isn't sagging.
Yeah,
You know,
saggy crotch.
It's not like weird in the crotch area or in the butt
LuLaRoe is
area.
definitely my favorite because
Yeah.
I feel like I could wear it and feel comfortable in it and feel like I looked okay in them.
Yeah.
I could sleep in them.
Right,
I could
yeah.
do anything in them.
Yes.
Yeah.
But I mean, when it came down to buying Christmas leggings, I was like, I'm only gonna wear them for a little bit. So I totally went to Walmart and got some Christmas leggings, and I was happy with them. Like, it was fine. But they didn't fit as good as the other ones.
Oh.
You know, like Army, what is it?
Well,
Army
you
legging.
get
Like,
what
there's
you
all
pay
those.
for
Exactly.
sure.
Yeah, you
But
totally
still,
get what you
I mean, just another reason to add to the collection of all the leggings, right?
Yeah, because I wear them all the time, you know,
Well-
to sleep and shop and work out and just
Just to do anything in. But
I'm
let's
obsessed.
talk about like, okay, so when you wear leggings, what kind of top do you wear with them?
okay, don't wear a short top
No.
unless you want to look 80s.
Well, you don't want everyone to see your booty.
Yeah.
You don't want your booty
unless you
to
want
be
to see
on
like
display.
unless you got a really really tight booty. Then,
No,
you know,
even
show
then
off.
it's like you're showing too much. You're showing too
Yeah,
much.
it's a little too tight. So you want to wear a shirt that kind of goes like to your mid thigh, you know, or
That's
even
ideal.
your upper thigh, you know, just so that you know you're not showing too much, you
or
know.
even like if you have like a t-shirt that has like a little panel in the back that just kind of goes down a little bit, just
Yes,
covers.
hide the booty.
Just hide.
Just hide the booty.
Hide the booty
And you know what? You
a
want to
little
hide the crotch too because
You, like, yeah, nobody wants
You know.
to, like, you know.
it's scary.
No. So, I mean,
I'm just telling you, okay?
plus I just feel like it's more comfortable and more flattering.
Yes, and
You can wear it with a cute tunic.
I love them. Yes,
A tunic is so cute paired with
the
leggings.
best.
And going on the flip side to the shoes, I feel like I can wear leggings with flip-flops or with cute little booties.
Yes,
You-
I wear
and
them
you
with
can
my
wear them
Uggs.
with flats,
You know,
tennis shoes.
I wear them with anything. Like it's
Anything.
awesome. Tennis shoes, regular
Possibilities
shoes.
are endless.
They are, and they're so comfy. But this is also a tip, okay? If you are a legging lover like me and you wear them all the time, okay, at least once, for sure, once a month. You have to put on regular size
Once
jeans.
a month.
At least once a month. So
a month.
really, honestly, you should do it at least twice, 3 times a month. Put on regular jeans because honestly,
You're gonna eat too much.
yeah,
leggings, girl.
you need to keep track of what's going on.
you want to keep track of your size.
Because I wore leggings for like a whole month and I didn't wear a pair of like normal size jeans and now they don't fit anymore and that was a problem. And I was like, I wish I would have known when they were getting tight because now I can't, I know
Okay,
I can't get them on.
So there's the fantastic tip is that I would say every 3 days, wear some jeans.
Yeah, you know, you don't always want to be the legging girl,
Wear some
right?
jeans. No.
No.
Well, I mean, but it is fun. And I'm
It is
pretty
fun,
sure
and I love
that
them.
this pile here looks like my room, like right now with laundry.
Yeah.
Right. Okay.
I'm
Anyone else
obsessed.
relate to that?
I love leggings. And they're so fun. I mean, look at these patterns, like just crazy patterns. I mean, right? These are, I mean,
Lippy
they have cassette
leggings.
tapes. Like, I love them. And then look at, I got unicorn ones. Like, they're so fun. I'm obsessed,
Literally.
okay? And I got lipstick. Well, What?
And you guys, you know
they're
what?
so fun.
Like the LuLaRoe brand, they have so many different random types of leggings. Some of them are so bizarre. They're just so fun.
I know.
So
Some of them are a little scary, but
I would love to see some of the most, like that's one of my favorite things. I have a friend who does a LuLaRoe page, and she does she does a WTF Wednesdays because it's like, what is this pattern?
Oh my
but I
gosh.
mean, everybody goes crazy over it. So if you can relate to that, or if you have any fun or crazy patterns, let us know, because it's just the fun part, you know?
right? I'm totally obsessed. I love it, girls. So let us know if you're obsessed too, and
What your favorite brands are.
yeah.
What your
Seriously, let me know. What's your favorite brand?
crazy
Right?
patterns are.
Yeah, we'd love to know. All right, girls. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.